Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use the pen tool to draw manually on your document in the Bluebeam Revu application. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your document, open it here in the Bluebeam Revu application, and you will be given access to the pen tool here on the right hand side. You can also use the shortcut P. If that toolbar here on the right hand side is grayed out, guys, it means that you haven't been given access to it, and you can gain access to it by signing into your Bluebeam account here in the top right corner. And once it's done, click into the pen tool and then start drawing. So let me draw a smiley face like this. And you can also customize the pen, for example, change its color here in the top left by clicking into that color box. Choose any of these, or you can use the color picker here. You can change the opacity, as you can see. So if I make it 50%, it would look like this. And also the stroke weight here, or the pen weight. So that's how it works, guys. Now there's also the option to, for example, set a layer, for example, for the pen, but that's something we cover in a separate tutorial, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.